Minisita Baram Gahara yabanza hamayiro mushanju ahabira hatiro upande bwo kushoroza mushoro y'ebishobobo kandi aha abashobozi b'ebitoke batugambira ko babire no babona bonesibwa
nkozise miliyoni 34 miliyoni 26 ekibuzo nikigira esente ezi nizigasaza cya district kandi esente nibazikwiha force niza kifuba ati nyonye mbunda kawu RC5 kawu na RC5 nimba kubanza
hakana nkatwe bakuyiza abakuru babe hakana tubako basa kukigamba ngo akapane nakawo konka bo mbambari yo munda
abatwire binetenda y'ekishobobo okushoroza sente mu bashubuzi b'ebitoke bakwasurwe kandi barikabura mu ruro
Even akatale kebyokulya dene moroga zigenda zirodegera musabukawunti dene basasule sente zigenda musabukawunti sori arodi balokubiruke mu mwa
mukuru w'entebe ya katano na mukuru w'abakozi gabazoka bayamayo kubuzwa kasyo n'akahindu ahabwa tenda y'ekishobobo egi etwiro mu district yabo aba omukwehozaho bagira ngo sente z'urukurwa mu kushoroza oku nizo magomborra bitu bakuru b'amagomborra babahakanisa
aina SIM abaina ebyokulya bitano wa boda boda omwana wa boda boda mukuya osende zachi
ona leo minister oshikire kandi nyenda kusima bwecho ntuza okureba ngo ababa abebugari n'aba boda boda tubagarika kutubiyaho sente na shiringigana bena babe motoka abo kubitwiza
no muntu aine motoka emu atayire mwesawo yemu yebitoke abakire mu cyaje ne kubibi
ubwo takusasona nazo shira za fuso
Bicha maneno sisi wamara enyeze shatu ukaso oka omyeze shapetu iwatika leba hoga orsente na rumwe urukweto kwebitoke ahamani
twashoroza sente abagombora gastum fige yiba kugambira hayo miliyoni 9 twagihurira musanga baciye abantu
hona mukuru w'abakozi yabuzwa kanana katano ahamirimo ya Usmaid ibakozere binkwatire cyo mutano kanso y'isingiro bitu nabyo byamuremo kushoborra atyo minister nuko kumuragira ngo argumu office aho naho abanza chondozo we
Bitumana kola audit report turuke right away in the military get sawa PS wa local government I'm recording
yes
over predicting by investigating Kataro so madam is that fair enough
Honorable Minister Nindeka wasn't the investigation team to come and investigate there's no problem because the road was done according to the
now I'm asking a question the road that was made according to the person who paid 5 million how much was it in total
5.3 billion
5.3 billion 5 billion itano the million is the work done is that work done on the road are you comfortable with the work done
yes with the engineers we've seen here I don't subscribe satisfaction because the quantities the design and whatever is the engineer
where is that engineer now
the engineer was transferred to the Muslim
it's called Asaf
she's in the Ministry of Education even there we are going to recall him to be candidate so that he can come we are going to ask the Minister of Education to let that man return and he has charges of shoulder work
Minister hona yaragira ngo mwanya gwa Katare ogwaguzurwa abashubuzi bombekera uha Katare kandi nkoko barukwenda kandi uwo wabireho kansara w'emyeto habwe isingiro 5 kanso yakwatwa ahabo kunyungutura sente z'emyeto umwaka gwe 2018
Honorable Minister, I first take you.
So now I want to give you this order. As much as we have trade order, these women were working on the road. Bakoraga muhanda. Mwaba ya muhanda mabagamba bagure ekibanja kyabo. Bagenda mu kibanja kyabo. Tibakutundira amuhanda. Gavumenti yayembeka katala akani akaba abandi. Chairman wa isingira ngizire, isingira ina abantu milioni nketa. Abakwenda kusubula ni bengi. So chora akora. Akatale kabataka bagaruke mbombe akatale kabo.
Izoba lya nyenkya kare Minister Baramba Rugahara naiza kusiba mu Buhweju district.